April 23rd, 2026, session 1324 of these Omega communications. These energy sessions that you participate in. Hello again, Lani speaking, delivering energy and information, and in simple ways that we feel the energy of it, we sense what the whole system we are involved in, and I'm talking about the greater collective consciousness from the quasmic consciousness. We're all embraced in that, and we are all working within that. Sometimes we need a simple reminder. So this is another session to participate in the bringing forward of energy and information in simple, basic ways. Are you ready to assemble with me in a greater collective field of cosmic beings from galactic systems, from dimensional systems that generally we are not told about or introduced to, and yet we came from such systems, collective systems. So we are simply remembering and returning to that state of consciousness where we function in a level of consciousness always. So let's allow the energy and information to come through to us today, individually and collectively. Welcome again, welcome into this free state of consciousness and the collaboration between you and the greater field of awareness, the greater field that is life, that is living, that is creation. Allow yourself to be bathed within this, and you are already immersed within it. Therefore, during the immersion process in this pure field of creation, it's a pure design system, you are opening to receive the elements that are needed to restore you and your pattern of life into the pure design system of creation. This system of creation is always introducing to you and to the greater field of creation new creations, new opportunities to excel and to shine and to bring in new opportunities, new creations, a entirely new level of existence. Sense this. Do you sense in this collective session that you are actually immersed in a different time reality of existence? Yes, it is existence. It is beings living life in an extraordinary way, participating and sharing, and with the prime intention of a continuation of growing in the light field that surrounds all life, through all systems, through all dimensions, all living patterns. You are such as this yourself as an individual. You have the living systems within you, and you are the one in control of it all. You are the central intelligence for your own system of livingness. Therefore, we are reminding you to remember that you are existing and co-creating an ongoing life form. We're talking about you as the true consciousness, the living essence that entered this life form currently you know about. So you are creating the systems within it to obviously expand and to purify in every way, and to design systems in the outer field of your oneness as an individual. So as you remember and you know you are existing and creating a new reality throughout your individual, what you would call your physicality system, in the outer field of your consciousness, you are creating that as your outer consciousness field interacts with similar beings such as you, having the intention. And the intention, of course, is always expansion, upliftment, creating a greater source of energy and information patterns which manifest a reality. You are receiving this in this discussion and presentation because you needed to know this to understand how new systems are created through you and around you. Perhaps in your outer worldly systems around the planet, you might recognize where this greater cosmic intelligent field is needed. And recognizing that, you are already interacting with the ones who carry this similar vibration of creating the next journey from this moment. Every thought you have, every step you take is creating a new energy system. Because you are connected into the prime intelligence system of the pure design of what creation is, you are carrying this and connecting it into all of the greater consciousness network surrounding and throughout this planetoid you name Earth. So this is what you are doing. And this is why you received and immersed yourself into this current presentation. It may give you the feeling of excitement, anticipation, and that is an energy source that is required for the continuation of this expansion. You might think it is an experiment, but this is not the case. This is an experience that you are creating, participating within, and receiving the elements from all the nexus points in the cosmic intelligent creative system. You are connected into that. You are a necessary nexus point. Live your life joyfully, knowing this is the reality that we are referring to, that you are immersed within. And this is what you were wanting to understand. Have your questions been answered? Are you receiving the information which really are patterns that answer your queries? So this was the immersion today in this system of presentation to you, in the ways that you are receiving it in your current technology and way of understanding it. Take it with you. Be it. Enjoy it. This is Laini speaking again. enjoying this time out and time within the inner space of your world, your reality. Perhaps this is a remarkable session, one that you will continue to work with more strongly than you have. Bring it back now into your locality, your physical experience within your journey in life. It remains around you in your energy field because you were immersed within it. Your energy field felt it, that true life essence of you. And so it therefore is surrounding you right back where you are receiving this in your physicality. So therefore it's time to end this session through the Omega communications. Be aware now of your earth space time. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful experience moving forward now into that great cosmic design system of life, your life. Thank you.